after the recovery process, we're going to go ahead and we're going to disconnect the tank, we're going to disconnect the machine, we're going to disconnect the gauges, we're going to take it all off and disassemble the unit and remove it. Take these off, turn them down, and the loins. It's insane. Yeah. Where's Connor? Find an issue, get it. Yeah. Built right with it. Now that we have removed the condenser and swept the pad, we have a nice clean slate to start. We have our wires disconnected here, our thermostat wire here, and our pipes ready to braze in. We are all clean, ready to go, and now it's time to install the condenser. Push. Ready? Slide. Under. Get under. I have my nitrogen regulator here with my flow regulator. Right there. Right here.